Bitcoin price prediction. Will BTC rebound as Silicon Valley Bank failure shocks world markets? On early Saturday morning, both Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, were able to reverse their downward trends and saw increases in value above $20,000 and $1,400, respectively. The weaker US currency, which became negative after the February labor data revealed slower wage growth and a decline in inflationary pressures, can be blamed for this increase, though. According to the statement, if the Federal Reserve slows the rate of interest rate increases, the US dollar may become less appealing, increasing demand and driving up the price of cryptocurrencies. We must emphasize that the Bitcoin industry is notorious for its strong volatility and frequent price swings. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum suffered significant losses in the preceding week, with BTC falling by 10.88% and ETH falling by 10.94% in value. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies has decreased to $890 billion as a result of the losses suffered by Bitcoin and Ethereum, dropping below the $900 billion level. BTC, which exhibits the capacity to regain some of its lost territory, is one indication that the downturn may be slowing down. The recent weaker-than-expected US jobs report and the US dollar's decline may be to blame for this reversal. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile, therefore it's crucial to be aware that price variations are to be expected. The liquidity crisis at Silicon Valley Bank raises questions about cryptocurrencies. A liquidity crisis may be occurring at Silicon Valley Bank, an important financial institution for venture capital firms, according to recent reports. Concerns about the potential wider financial ramifications of this event have caused cryptocurrencies' value to drop. It is significant to note that many venture capital businesses employ Silicon Valley Bank, a sizable financial institution, which could indirectly affect the cryptocurrency market. Although if this doesn't directly affect the Bitcoin industry, it does show how intertwined the financial world can be, with changes in one area possibly having an impact on another. As a result, the information about Silicon Valley Bank's liquidity problems has had a detrimental effect on the cryptocurrency market. Dollar drop supports crypto market. The US dollar, which had been on the rise, was unable to keep up its pace and fell for the day. This was brought on by the most recent labor statistics for February, which revealed weaker wage growth and may have eased inflation pressures. This might force the Federal Reserve to gradually increase interest rates, which would make the dollar less desirable. Even though the US economy added jobs quickly in February, sluggish wage growth and an increase in the unemployment rate have dampened hopes for a 50 basis point interest rate increase at the next Federal Reserve meeting. Throughout the previous week, the cryptocurrency market had suffered considerable losses, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum shedding about 11% of their value. Nevertheless, as the value of the US dollar dropped, the loss started to slow and Bitcoin started to regain some of its lost territory. Due to the ongoing pandemic and recent market volatility, the performance of the cryptocurrency market and the US dollar is still uncertain in the upcoming weeks. Given the recent developments in the US banking sector, the CPI print and general financial circumstances are now in the spotlight. Peter Schiff suggests trading Bitcoin for gold in a gloomy market. While the cryptocurrency market continues to experience losses, Peter Schiff, a well-known opponent of cryptocurrencies, has suggested that investors sell their Bitcoin, BTC, holdings and invest in gold. Schiff, a longtime vocal opponent of Bitcoin, has forecast that the sector will see an increase in bankruptcy proceedings, which could further dampen the market. In response to Silvergate Bank's recent stock market decline, which had a big influence on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Schiff made the following comment. Although some investors might disagree with Schiff's opinions, certain crypto aficionados continue to be upbeat about the industry's future. For example, Spencer Schiff, Schiff's son, responded to his father's piece by arguing that while blockchain startups and other cryptocurrencies might fail, Bitcoin will survive as a lifeboat. Bitcoin cost. Given that it has breached the double bottom support level of $20,350, the BTC-USD pair is currently in a strong negative trend, according to technical analysis of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now supported at a level of $18,430. If this level is broken, selling pressure may increase, leading to a further drop towards the $16,400 mark. On the other hand, the $20,300 resistance level is the first obstacle for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin crosses above this point, it would spark purchasing interest and possibly drive its price up to the $21,400 mark. There is a chance that Bitcoin might possibly surpass the $25,000 level if the positive trend keeps up.